in Santa Monica. There is Santa Monica Pier. Day one of our road trip up to San Francisco on the infamous Highway 1, PCH, California. Let's go.
Careful who you cross, careful who you test.
I waited my whole life to do this.
Give me your worst and you'll get my best.
We're in Malibu.
How to back down. No, I don't know how to back down. How to back down. Careful, I'm a lion, don't test my pride. Standing like a mountain.
This is not the coolest fucking road trip ever.
Know how to back down. How to
This is Point Doom. Point Doom.
know how to back down.
We don't know why she's making seal noises, but this lady here is making seal noises.
Not this lady.
I mean, is it the lady or is it actually seals?
I don't
There's loads of them on the beach, look.
know how to back down. I am a fighter. I am a fighter. I am a fighter. I am a fighter. Fighter. Got no limits. I got no.
I am feeling Santa Barbara right now. This is such a
My blood,
vibe.
my sweat, and my tears. Know how to back down, how to back.
Taking this all in, this is very cool.
I don't know how to back down, how to back down. No, I don't know how to back down, how to back down. No, I don't know how to back down, how to back.
Back in the car from our little pit stop in Santa Barbara, and oh my god, what an amazing little town. I love it, it's so cute. Now it is 4:30, we're gonna make our way up to Pismo Beach. Oh my god, I'm so excited for this. This is giving me so much life. We are in this cool little town called Pismo Beach, and it's so cool. It's like a little surface village, right?
I rise up, I rise up.
Miss Samantha.
Oh, I thought it was a photo. Hello.
Since the day I was born a fighter.
We're not going to get as far up the coast as we thought we were going to today because the sun is setting. So we're going to chill here, watch the sunset, send the drone up.
I am a fighter. I am a fighter. I am a fighter. I am a fighter. Fighter.
Nearly end of day one on our PCH adventure, and today has been amazing. It's
I
been
agree.
so nice. It's been so cool.
We needed it, I think.
Yeah, it's been so chilled.
Post-Coachella,
Post Coachella, just a
this
nice,
is the perfect,
chilled day.
like, yeah.
We're ending it in Pismo Beach, which, as you can see, is just amazing. Peace out.
Good morning.
I need to focus, but I need to
Start
focus.
multitasking.
But it's day 2 on the PCH. We are starting our journey in San Luis Obispo, which is this cute little town. Today is the big day, the Big Sur day. I can turn right on this red light. So many of these elephant seals. But it is freezing cold this morning. It's 13 degrees. We are driving up towards San Francisco, Big Sur,
So cool.
and we found these elephant seals. Little highlight on the trip for me. We are just entering Big Sur. This is the part of the trip that I think I'm most excited for. So we have to get a standard selfie in front of the Welcome to Big Sur sign, man. That's so cool. We found this little viewpoint by accident, but holy shit. Welcome to Big Sur. We have now 100 miles of this epic coastline all the way up to Monterey. Kids, write a bucket list and one by one tick every single one of them off. Highway number 1 here in California has been on my list since I was a kid. And look.
Views are insane.
Hey Sam. Bixby Bridge, the famous Bixby Bridge from Big Sur, but I am so gutted that it's too windy to do the drone. So we ended up doing the drone, so fucking windy. Go us! It is day number 3 of our PCH trip. We are in Monterey. It's super early in the morning. This place is like a little ghost town.
Sleepy little ghost town. We love it.
We are going to stop on the way in Santa Cruz and get some lunch. Yeah, come with us.
Hello, dear. Hi, Bambi.
Came all the way to Santa Cruz to the boardwalk, and today they are shooting a movie here and the whole thing is closed. And you know what?
It's okay.
Because no roller coasters for us today. Final stretch, 16 miles to go until San Francisco. That's 34 minutes. Final stretch of the PCH. We are so excited. I can see it. Our little car made it to San Francisco. We made it to San Francisco. We are at the end of our 3-day PCH Highway 1 road trip. We are in San Francisco. Golden Gate Bridge is done. We're gonna come back in the morning. We're not gonna break the law and drone, not at all. But for now, back to the hotel.